Are you thinking about using Time Doctor to boost your productivity and time management, but not sure if it's the right fit for you? Well, today we're breaking down the 12 things you need to know before committing to this software, so you can decide if it's the best solution compared to other options out there. First off, Time Doctor is a well known time tracking tool with features designed to help you stay focused, increase productivity, and measure your work efficiency. But how does it stack up against the competition? Next, the software offers automatic tracking, but with a twist. Unlike other time trackers that require manual entry, Time Doctor captures your time in the background, recording the time spent on tasks, websites, and applications. However, keep in mind, this feature can feel a bit intrusive if you're not comfortable with automatic tracking. The third thing to consider is the reporting functionality. Time Doctor provides detailed reports that show exactly where your time goes, but the reporting interface can be overwhelming for beginners. It's not as intuitive as some competitors like Toggle, which offers a simpler design for easy analysis. Another thing to keep in mind is the integration options. Time Doctor connects with over 60 apps, including popular tools like Slack, Trello, and Asana. This makes it easy to sync your time tracking data with your other productivity platforms. But if you rely heavily on niche software, the integration options could be a limitation compared to competitors with broader integrations like Harvest. Next, let's talk about the dashboard. Time Doctor's dashboard is packed with features, including task management, time logs, and project tracking. While powerful, it can be overwhelming for users who are looking for a straightforward and clean interface like the one found in Clockify or Rescue Time. Moving on, Time Doctor also allows you to track your team's productivity. If you manage a team, this feature can be valuable to ensure that everyone is staying on task and working efficiently. But if you're an individual looking for a simple time tracker, this team-focused aspect might not be as useful. Another important feature is the ability to set reminders and alerts. Time Doctor can remind you to stay on task and alert you if you're spending too much time on unproductive activities. While helpful, this can feel like a bit too much if you're looking for a more hands-off approach, like what you'd find in Focus Booster. The seventh thing to know is that Time Doctor offers screenshots to track how your time is spent. It can capture periodic screenshots of your screen to verify that you're working. While this can be useful for employers, it might raise privacy concerns for individuals, especially compared to more privacy-friendly trackers like Toggle or Clockify, which don't take screenshots. Another point to mention is Time Doctor's pricing. It offers tiered pricing starting at $7 per user per month, but compared to other time tracking software like Toggle, which offers a free version, this price might be a bit steep if you're just starting out or have a small team. Let's talk about Time Doctor's mobile app. It works well for tracking your time on the go, but it lacks some advanced features available on the desktop version. If you're someone who needs all the functionality at your fingertips, you may find the mobile experience somewhat limiting compared to apps like Rescue Time. Next, Time Doctor offers a 14-day free trial. While this gives you a chance to test the software, it's worth noting that some competitors, like Clockify, offer a more generous free plan with fewer limitations, which might be a better starting point for some users. Another feature you may appreciate is Time Doctor's ability to track billable hours for clients. If you're a freelancer or running a business, this can be a huge benefit as it helps you keep track of time spent on client work. However, if you don't need client billing features, it might feel like extra baggage compared to simpler time trackers. Lastly, Time Doctor does have a strong customer support team available through live chat, email, and phone support. While this is great, some other platforms like Toggle offer more self-service support through community forums and knowledge bases, which might be more convenient for some users. So, is Time Doctor a good option? It certainly has many useful features, particularly for teams and businesses that need detailed time tracking and productivity insights. However, if you're looking for a more intuitive interface, better privacy features, or a free plan, there are definitely other tools worth considering. And if you're interested in a better solution for your time management needs, check out our recommended tool, which you can try for free.